What's up guys, again this is 1 minute beatbox lesson, and today I'm going to teach you some click sound. Click sound sounds like this. Okay, to do the click sound is try to pronounce the word cluck, 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 cluck using your tongue. Just put your tongue in the upper part of your mouth like this. Okay, try it. And then if you want a higher pitch, just open your mouth widely. If you want a lower pitch, then form a circle using your lips. Okay, try it. And see you next time. Thanks for watching.